Go.
Down.
Up. Okay. Sit. Lay down. Straight. Straight. Okay. Kind of like, you know, when you take the cards and you throw them, and you have to pick them all up. You got little bones, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to pick them up. We're going to read what they say on them. Okay, out loud so everyone can hear us. Oh, there's a big old biscuit right there. Pick up a bone, read it. Oh, this one says, lure your dog to a down, and I want you to do it. Okay? And then just give me the bone. And then, see how many bones you get. But this, what I'm going to do this time is, I want you to get them all. I want you to get every single bone, and there's 8, 12, 9, 18 of them. And then we'll see how long it takes you to do those. Okay? So that'll give us a little time to practice our skills. Now, don't hurry. Don't say, oh, I gotta be really fast. I'd like to see you be accurate with your dog and consistent with the commands that you're giving them. Okay? So anytime you're ready to, you go ahead and pick up the first one, read it out loud so everyone can hear, and then do the task.
Make me the sentence.
Okay. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Next.
Name 2 of your classmates. Strider.
Yeah.
And Brady.
Very good.
Sit your dog and touch his front right paw. Sam. Sit.
Like, what are we doing here? Good. That was good. Okay.
Put your dog under 2 seconds to finish in time.
Okay.
Sam.
Just face her and then pivot back to her side. So get her to sit.
Sam.
Yep, that's right. Good. You guys are getting a preview of all these things.
Lure your dog to a down.
Okay, she's going to lure Sammy to a down. Yeah, perfect. Very good. You're a little helper. Hug your dog. We can do that. That's an easy one. Very good. Good.
Have your dog down, stay, and verbally face.
All right.
Stand. Stand.
Lay down.
All right.
Okay.
Dog library.
Say out loud what
Library.
all the
Just
experience.
library.
School. Very good.
Oh, she'll see for that.
Your dog belly up.
There we go.
There's lay down.
Got the good treats. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a good girl.
What are you doing, Dad? Dad,
Lay down.
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 Very
The
good.
work is good now. Fran, lay down.
Do your dog.
Stand down.
All right.
Here, come.
We're doing down.
Right.
Good girl. Down. Good girl. Yes. Oh, that's
Down,
a
lay down.
good girl.
Very
Good
good.
hot dog.
Okay, right. Sit.
Oh, yeah, that was nice.
Sit. Right.
And that's good. He's taking his time.
Stay.
1,
Good boy.
2, 3.
Good.
Very good. I like that.
Okay.
He didn't give up.
Their coat is almost the same color.
Very good. Excellent.
The
Okay.
German Retrievers have
Good
black
job.
things.
Okay, Brandy, are you ready for this one?
Right.
Come on, Brand.
Did you rest up?
You got your rest.
Come on, Brandy.
You're on.
You gotta rest up so we can do all these bones.
You got a lot of bones to get through.
Come on, you can do it.
Right.
All right, go ahead.
Gene, I want to get
All right.
tall one. Switch hands here.
Good. All right, next one.
Right.
All right. One, two, three. Good. Very nice. Next one. Okay. You're just sit and do it. Touch your toenail.
Come on, Brand. Sit. Brandy. Sit. Brandy. Sit.
Good. All right, Brandy.
Down.
Right.
Good.
Good boy. Up.
Okay. It's your hands work. Let's go. Good.
Good boy.
Your trick. Your trick. Sure.
Gate. Gate.
Very good. That's hard work. You're doing good. Lure your dog toward down.
Brand. Lay down.
Good. Wag its tail 3 times. Come on, Brandy.
Wag your tail.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Good. That was easy. Yeah.
Brandy. Sit.
Oh, you like that. Good. Very nice. Go, Brandy. Happy reflux. Just call her and get really excited with their coffee.
Good girl.
Good. All right, Brandy, you have 2 left. Hug your dog. Would you do that? Aw.